go. Frankie's putting on her lippy because she's just finished her dissertation. Yay! Can you get all my hair blowing in the wind? 1, 2, 3. Oh, beautiful! The birds are literally having sex. Did you think I was taking a picture of you? Oh. No, them. 2 lovebirds. Oh, they're finished. They're done. Was that good for you? Yeah. Actually, no. One of them's walking away from the other.
And drink your fucking drink.
What did you just say?
I didn't say anything.
One of the. By the way, these are my glasses. Right. Jason has a fat head. One thing. What do they need? Excuse me. Can you just pay attention for a second?
I'd rather not.
What does Megan do when the sun comes out?
She turns into a homosexual.
Oh. I'm crying, but not because you're that funny, just because I've got weepy eye. I'm an artist.
It's a Meg favourite.
This is my audition song for the school musical. I got it wrong, but I'll do it anyway.
Bye.
Here we go.
Dancing, everybody singing for me.
We need it a bit louder, to be honest.
It can't go any louder.
Shakira, Shakira. We're on the way to Liverpool at the moment.
Frankie made us miss our train.
We're heading out now to third party. This is what I'm wearing. It's like a play suit from Misguided with some studs. Very cute, very cool.
You ever do what I'm wearing?
Luke's wearing a cool.
Okay, here we go. My socks I bought.
Don't push me.
Push you. Discount, like discount row, whatever they call it. Chin chin. You fucking lad. When in Liverpool, eh?
Oh yeah.
Got a nice warm sock on that I just put on.
Do you remember when that guy walked through the door and he goes... No, he goes to the pine when they like scare that guy and he goes...
Oh, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Okay, yeah. Kevin,
okay, Kevin.
Okay, Kevin, you go ahead. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord, Hammer.
It's 5 minutes away.
7 minutes.
Oh, it said 6 minutes a minute ago.
What did you say first?
Because it had been a minute.
Oh. This was Anna's face in the picture.
Anna, Luke thinks that picture of you at Worlds last year is so funny when you're standing there like this. Alright, bye. See ya. I'll try and vlog, but probably not. He was just sticking his mouth. I'm gonna have to keep jumping in because I'm rubbish at explaining what's happening when I'm vlogging. So basically we were playing a drinking game, and if you saw, you had to put on the Boxman body, and if you said someone's first name, then you had to put on the Boxman hat. So yeah.
I went to someone's both in the box, when they're on the box, and they had the hat on.
Yeah, Luke should have.
I've been in the box of
Frank! Sorry.
Wait, boomerang.
Boomerang. No, your hand's in the way, you hoe. Oh.
Joe! No, no.
Animal.
Oh, yeah, girl. Oh, got it, girl. Oh, when I took the camera off, you're like, fuck you.
Yes!
I don't know what animals really like.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No, that's it.
Put it on, my friend.
I love garlic.
I can finally get into the house.
I'm not sad at this.
Wait, who's Wiz and who's Snoop?
I'm Wiz.
Wait, you said you're Wiz?
What? I'm Wiz.
Did you not just hear me a million times that I'm Wiz?
I am Wiz.
You're not involved in this.
Mate,
Get out! You're Cardi B.
can you... I'll take it. Crazy baby He's reading the lyrics. I don't want Okay, so picture this. So I did try and film this bit, but obviously I wasn't in the right frame of mind. It doesn't really make sense, so I'm just going to explain it now. I was basically half asleep at Luke's house, and I pulled the covers over me. It was really cold, and I thought it was like sequins, like you know when people have like sequins on their duvet covers. So I was like, oh, it's just cold sequins. Pulled it over, opened my eyes, and this is what I found. Enjoy. And this is what I found. Literally pulled this over me, and this is my foot in comparison, so you know how big this stain is.
If I change the bed, can we go back to sleep?
No,
Please.
absolutely not. Okay, so we've just realised how this happened. Turn around. Oh. I slipped in a jar. Because I don't know what to do.
No, you see, the thing is with you, you're treading on this stuff and then bringing it into my room and expecting me to accept it.
He was sick over me. Have some compassion.
No, I understand that, but now
it's in my room. We were not sleeping in it. You were not sleeping in it. Let me show you where we were sleeping. Luke was sleeping here. I was sleeping here with all the chunks. You put ginger in it. Like, I don't even care about myself, but my child. That's where I draw the line. Can I sleep with you?
No.
Absolutely not.
Most certainly not, you filthy bastard.
I forgot to film an outro, so... And I'll be putting up part 2 soon.